How's it going, everyone? Today we got a pretty simple project for the Legacy. We are installing a GrimmSpeed license plate relocation kit. Let's see what we're doing. Alright, so this is the GrimmSpeed relocation bracket. It's for the 05 through 09 Legacy and also the 08 through 14 WX and STI. I picked it up pretty cheap off from my friend Jeremy, so let's get going with it. Alright, so I imagine everyone already knows what a relocation bracket is, but in case you don't, it moves the license plate from right there over here. It goes into the factory tow hook hole right here that's actually threaded into the chassis itself, so I have to take this off and auger out a hole. Let's check out, see what kind of tools I need. So I went ahead, I took out the trim piece from the bumper. As you can see, what we have to do with this is we have to mark the center part where the shaft from the bracket, that part right there, is going to go into the chassis. So we have to mark that, cut that. For the actual bracket itself, it utilizes a 3mm for the guys that hold the license plate on, and then that for the 5mm hex to adjust it properly on the bumper. And to cut the hole in it, we went ahead, got sawzall out. So just have to mark this thing up and give it a cut. I went ahead and I got that as much center in the area as it could be. I marked it with a Sharpie after trying to eyeball it. So now, here we go. I can't do this with one hand, hold on. Sawzall didn't do half bad. It's pretty well lined up. Now let's mount the actual bracket to it. Got the bracket mounted on there. Not gonna mess up the bumper more than it, it's already messed up. One more thing, just swap over the plate. Over. Not in much of the front mounts way, not much of the fog's way. Can't really get back far enough, but there it is. Alright guys, let me know how this video is. I tried a different format. I'm actually using my phone because I got this different editing software, so it's different from the GoPro. Simple install. It's cold as shit, but that was not even a half-hour install. It's just dicking around, kind of taking my time. I didn't want to over oblong the hole for where the back bracket passes through, but came out pretty good. I like the look of it. It serves an aesthetic purpose and also performance because it doesn't block as much of the front mount, and it's just easier on the eyes over on the side. I will eventually do a license plate delete something, but for now I just have the screws on there so you don't see the black plastic holes. Whatever, works for me. But yeah, thanks for watching. Check back for more. If you haven't already, give me a subscribe. Take it easy. Bye.